to give it chicken a bath. You may laugh. Stay tuned. Stay. No, you stay tuned. Okay. So the first thing, stay here. That wasn't the real thing. But get out of there. First, you dunk them into the soapy water. Stay. Then you go into this water and you rub the wings straight. The wings straight. So, now take it to the last bucket, which is the final rinse-off bucket, and you get all the rinsing off. All that rinsing. It's a lot. Good girl, you're staying. And now, you dry off the towel. You need to get off the towel, girl. Get off the towel, please. Okay.
If you hold her, I'll move the bucket for you.
Okay. Come here. You dry off. Gently. Just scrub. Don't rub. Don't rub. You shouldn't rub. It's okay, girl. She's doing a very good job.
Has this chicken had a bath before?
No. No, she hasn't. This is her very first bath. Chicken is very sweet. Oh, now you're wet. Yep.
Does she seem like all the soap's been removed?
Yes. Yes, it has. Now we just need to dry it off. Turn around. Okay, so I need to dry off this side now. Stay down. Dry off your feet. And there's a bit of a difference, but because she's still a little wet, but she's mostly dry. So then you have to put her inside of a cage that's dry and sit for a while. But then she'll look like this. And they're sisters, so they like to be with each other. And they have to stay in a clean cage so they don't get dirty again. So the reason that I gave this chicken a bath was inside of shows, before shows you need to give them a bath. She really likes that towel. You need to give them a bath so they look pretty and they'll do well in the show. And these are bantam chickens. If they peck you, it won't hurt at all. See how?
Bantam with a B. Bantam.
Bantam chickens.
Bantam. That means what?
They're small. Very small. Very small. This is as big as they're getting. It's a tiny chicken. If you turn around, there'll be some bigger chickens. Those are silver-laced Wyandottes. Silver-laced Wyandottes. See if I can... Aww. And now she's dry. And she can fly again.